What are trigger events? Your mission as a salesperson should be to find companies that have immediate wants and needs. And this means that something happened or is happening to them. A move, a merger, maybe new investors or new VP of marketing. You have to look for any event that might create the opportunity for you. Or, better said, you're looking for event that can trigger the sales for you. It could be something internal or inside the company, like a new direction from management, a merger or an acquisition, rapid growth, or maybe a new product introduction. And it could mean that company is turning green and needs new or different supplies and services. Or it could be external or outside the company, like the new strategies of their competitors, or maybe new legislation, maybe even a natural disaster, which can be actually a very well known trigger for many, many clients. So, generally speaking, trigger events have effects inside the whole company. Suddenly, new needs are recognized, previous decisions need to be revisited. Very often, management becomes aware of new priorities and changes the direction of the company. Trigger events are extremely important when we are in the search mode, looking for our next customer, and when we need to identify our sales opportunities and prioritize at a particular company from our target list. Every company has something new happening. Maybe they improved or reintroduced their products or services. There could be new faces in the boardroom or on the sales floor. A new office may have opened up in the Midwest. A new vendor or strategic partner could have been added. Even new money or investor may come into the company. As I said before, most important thing for a buyer is that the provider understands their situation, their needs, and their business. And this is where you can start to have intelligent, meaningful conversation with your prospects versus just pushing a product or service and talking about the features and benefits, not truly understanding the client's situation. Every change in the business environment causes a search for new suppliers or new service providers, and your main goal is to be in front of qualified buyers when they are ready to buy. In these situations, I would say this is almost the perfect position for every salesperson. You know there is something happening with the prospects from your list of targeted accounts maybe, and you know that as it happens. So perfect timing is a key of success many times. And this is equally true no matter if it's with the small companies or enterprises. Here is an example where actually through my triggered event research, I determined that my customer was planning to switch its ordering system to one of the new software solution. I was digging through the list of my target accounts, and I found out there was something happening with my prospect.